Hyunbin's experience of eating durian. In Bench online Fanmeet, JJ asked Hyunbin what's more important for him. Is it smell or taste? Then Hyunbin said, it's taste. So she asked more of him about different food until she came to asking if he already tasted durian, and his answers were very true. It is true to all who have already tried the fruit durian. Well, if you don't know, durian is an edible fruit that gives an excessive foul odor which is very stinky. It is famous in countries like the Philippines, Thailand, Hong Kong, and Malaysia. Watch this video of Hyunbin sharing his experience of eating durian.
Sometimes I think about myself and I wish me the best, but I just think I'm missing a voice and skills. I must confess I'm speaking in English, but I'm just French. I would like to speak better, add a better fine rhyme to my letter on time like a watchmaker. You can lie, you can try, but you'd like to leave this feeling. We got to breathe, to dig, to live the life we are dreaming. It could go wrong, but I'm just honest. You must be lonely, but you could be crazy if you keep looking down.
There we know that he's good at eating spicy foods. Seems like Yejin and him eat lots of spicy food. Well, if you wanna get more updates, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. That's it for this video. If you like it, please share, subscribe, and comment below of what you think about this.